Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can unpoke on Facebook. So let's get started. First of all, you got to open your Facebook account and then you got to click on profile here at the bottom right. After that, you got to go to any of your friends' profile who you wish to poke. For example, I'm going to go to my friends and I'm going to poke this one by clicking on this button right over here. Now it says you poked her and then you can simply click on undo right at the spot. But if you fail to do so, then there are a few methods by which you can delete your poke. So the first thing is you can go to these three horizontal lines at the top left, scroll down, click on settings and privacy. And then you're going to click on settings from the drop down. Over here, you'll be redirected to settings and privacy. You're going to scroll down to the bottom and under your activity, you'll be able to see activity log. Click on it and then you're going to scroll down and click on your Facebook activity. You'll be able to see numerous activities. You're going to scroll down to the bottom of it and you'll be able to see something called other activity. You're going to click on this drop down and then you'll be able to see pokes. You're going to click on the pokes and you'll be able to see the poke that you just made. So if you wish to remove the poke, you can simply click on the three dots right over here and click on delete once again, and it will take a few seconds or till a minute in order to refresh your Facebook. So once your Facebook is refreshed, you can go to your profile and go to friends again, and you'll be able to see that the poke button has now appeared. Now the next method is that once you have poked, you can simply click on the poke again and you'll be able to see a button called view pokes. Click on it and you'll be able to see friends you have poked. You can long press on it and then you'll be able to see something that is called dismiss poke. Click on it and click on dismiss once again. After that, it's going to take a few seconds till a minute in order to refresh. Once done, you can simply go back to your Facebook and then you can go to your profile, go to your friends. Now you can see that it has been unpoked and you can poke once again. So that is how you can unpoke on Facebook. So if you found this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out and I'll see you next time.